Prosecution, you have an additional witness you'd like to?
Yeah, I call Harshal to the stand.
All right, and who's going to question this, Harshal?
I will let the.
Objection. This is highly irregular.
It is
Doesn't
highly
matter.
irregular.
It is a bit odd.
I will let the witness.
Not that anything else about
Yeah.
It's out of order.
I'll let the co-counsel
Sure.
question the witness. David, you're questioning.
All right.
Are you willing to be co-counsel and question the witness?
Herschel.
You got to swear him in first.
Bailiff?
Bailiff.
Janky ass bailiff?
Quit playing with your stick.
Don't worry, I won't lie like DeAndre.
or like the bailiff. Lying ass.
Tan pants.
Tan pants. That's how big my balls are.
All right. Prosecution turn to question.
Your Honor, permission to approach.
Proceed.
Please, the court. Herschel, would you mind telling us what you heard when you came to the cabin that weekend? What did you hear directly from DeAndre about what happened in the incident?
The truth.
The truth.
You can't handle the truth.
That was perfect.
So what I heard is everyone was laughing, all right? And I was like, "What the fuck happened?" DeAndre goes,
You're going to allow such language in your court, Your Honor?
As testimony of...
"That's testimony."
It's allowed.
DeAndre goes, "You don't want to know." It's like, "What happened?" And they're like, "DeAndre flew on the ground." He says, "No, I did not fly."
Herschel, would you mind speaking up?
Oh, I did not fly on the ground. What I did is we had these firecrackers, and it comes 6 in a pack, and I threw them in, and pop, 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 5
Roman
pops.
candle.
Roman candle, for
Roman
clarification.
candles.
I know you were
He said
here.
firecrackers.
I know you weren't here,
Yeah.
but I testified it was
Yeah.
a Roman candle. Continue. Please continue.
Okay. Heard 5 pops. Thought the other one was a dud, not a problem. He walks away and he goes, a 6th one popped. Scared the bejesus out of me. I dropped my cup and I just ran. I tripped and I slid on the ground.
So which one did I do? Did I trip, fall, or dive? Which one did I do?
Yeah.
Because I'm here for multiple.
So he ran. He said he slipped and he virtually flew on the ground.
Oh, I flew.
All right. He
He
flew on the
flies.
I fly.
I'm just saying what he said.
Oh, this is what I said.
Yes.
Herschel, you're testifying that DeAndre told you that he ran away from the noise
Yes.
like a bitch.
Most
Yeah.
Would you characterize that like a bitch?
He didn't tell me like a bitch,
Okay,
but
you
yes.
didn't say that. Okay, let me back that up.
Yeah, don't put words in the
Herschel,
witness's mouth.
you're testifying that DeAndre told you that he heard a loud noise.
Yeah.
In his words, it startled him.
Mm-hmm.
He fled from there. He tripped and
He
fell
threw
on the
his
ground.
cup,
Oh,
and
I
he.
threw it now.
Yeah. I'm just saying what you told me. That's it.
No, you're talking. I'm talking to my
Okay,
counsel.
okay.
I'm not talking to you.
Yeah.
So I threw the truth now. Okay.
Yeah. And
So-
he was running, and
This is
he
what he said.
tripped and flew on the ground.
And I flew.
Thank you. Thank you, Herschel.
I flew.
It's amazing you can fly.
I know
Your Honor,
it's seriously.
that's all the questions I have.
Yeah.
All right, defense, do you have any questions for the witness?
Oh, by the way, he did say that he was guilty of doing that, and he's going to plead guilty to the
Of his
charge
drink.
of mismanagement because he fell on the ground and dropped the drink. He dropped the drink, fell on the ground. He's going to prove that he was guilty. That was all part of the same plea bargain. So, I mean, it comes back to occasion. If he proved guilty and said he was guilty because he dropped the drink and flew on the ground, he's lying in court.
Thank you. Thank you, Herschel. Thank you.
All right. So would you go to lunch with someone that's a bitch ass?
Yes.
You would go to lunch with. A
I
bitch
would
ass?
go to lunch with someone that's banging house because I said I loved him. He is like a brother to me. But just because he's a brother and you have a bitch ass brother, you still take him out to lunch and you go out to him and you hang out. I love the guy. I even bought him a shirt. I care about him. Care about him with the deepest of a heart. Are you gonna go backstab your own brother because he's a bitch ass? Would you? You're defending him.
I'm not on trial here.
Well, would you defend your own brother if he was a bitch ass? Or would you let him hang to die?
All right.
You would defend him like you are.
This is the defense's
I
attorney.
love
This
my
is the
bitch
defense's
ass
attorney.
I'm
Mr.
pro bono.
Witness.
Pro boner.
All right. So you say my man flew?
I didn't say I flew. I never used those words.
Okay.
I heard from other people that he dove. He goes, "No, I did not drive. I tripped and flew."
So you saying I flew?
No, I'm saying you said you flew.
Oh, I said I flew.
I wasn't there.
I said I flew?
Yes,
I said I
you
flew.
said.
Really? Is that what I said?
Yes.
Oh, do I have wings?
I don't know. I didn't.
Objection. Can
do
you
you-
control? Can you control your
Wait,
defendant?
for a
This is
yes,
a
no.
counsel.
If he
Can we-
misspoke
are these
and he
outbursts?
doesn't
Do I
know
have
what he said,
wings?
I'm just saying what
Do I
he
have
said.
wings?
Please, these
All right,
outbursts.
How do I fly?
Sustained.
How do I fly? Well, not wings.
Can you
Control
please
your
keep your
client.
Am I
defendant in
bird?
order?
Am I a bird?
I should have asked you that. So that means he was lying then too.
Oh.
Even though he said whatever any witness says is true, and get a witness up there according to his testimony.
Okay.
Most of this, Zach, is where you say objection hearsay, and it all
There's
gets
no-
thrown out.
There's a lot of hearsay going on now.
No more questions.
No more questions.
Chester's
No more
not
questions.
Okay.
All right. Does either side have any
Thank you.
additional? Yeah, thank you. You're dismissed. Does either side have any additional witnesses or evidence to present?
Your bailiff is acting really weird, so.
We would like a closing.
Like I
argument,
said,
so-
he's the best we could afford.
Oh, closing